Hello there, I'm Nicole. I'm with SoCal Singer Studio, and I wanted to let you know about our summer choir. This is, I think, the third year that I've offered a choir during the summer for teens and adults, and I'd love to see our numbers grow this year. So it's going to be super duper fun. We will meet on Tuesdays, 7:30 to 8:30 p.m. starting June 10th. The last rehearsal will be July 22nd, and then we will have two performances, July 25th in the evening, and that will be at Chaffee High School in their beautiful auditorium. And then also July 27th, which is the following Sunday, we will be performing for some lovely folks at one of the local senior communities. The two songs that I chose for this year are Here Comes the Sun by the Beatles. This is a really, really pretty arrangement with like piano accompaniment and some really, really pretty harmonies and nice opportunity for the voices to blend and everything. And then the other choice is a medley of Beautiful Day by U2 and The Best Day of My Life by American Authors. And that will just be a nice contrast to bring in a little bit more contemporary, more up-tempo, kind of have a little bit of fun with it, and but I'll still bring in, you know, learning harmonies, learning how to read rhythms, learning how to read notes, all that good stuff. So be sure to sign up while there's still space available, and you can get more info at socalsinger.com/workshops. So see you there.